أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear students, this is the second part of the SST grade 4. As you have seen in the end of the first part, the video which tells you about the continents of the earth. So afterwards there are a few questions which you need to solve after watching the video. The first question is, find thing each continent is known for geographically. For example, South America is known for Amazon forest, the Amazon River, etc. Which country from a part of North America, which country is the largest in terms of area in Asia? So these are some questions you have to solve after watching the video. So I'm going to show you another video and afterwards we're going to have some questions regarding that.
About the compass directions. Well, compass points, there are 8 that you need to know. The most important being north and south. You can see that they're circled in red over there. Those are the cardinal points, north and south. And then you get west and east. Those are the second most important points. That's why they are green. Okay, so north, south, east, and west. And if you forget what they are, and which way around to put them, you can always think of the little sentence, Nuddy eats silkworms. So you start with north, and you go around clockwise. You got Nuddy for north, eats for east, silk for south, and worms for west. So going around north, east, south, west. Then the in-between points. Now I've already told you that north is the most important. Okay, north and south are the most important. So halfway between north and east, you get northeast. And we always put the north first because the north is more important than the east. And then halfway between east and south, we have southeast. Again, south is more important than east, so it comes first when we name that compass point. Between south and west, we get southwest. And between west and north, we get northwest. It's as easy as that. You just have to remember north, south, east, and west. You can use the little sentence, Nuddy eats silkworms. And then the in-between ones are easy to put together. On the screen now, I've got a little compass again, but without the names. Try and see if you can name them.
Students, I believe you must be aware about the north, south, east, west after watching the video. Now what you have to do is you have to solve this by your own. Like now you have to, for example, like right here, what is the value? The value is north, south, east, and well, you have to just fill in the blanks by solving it in an appropriate way. So let's move to the question answers, which we have to do. And I have solved these questions for the ease of you people. So let's do the question number 1. I believe you can see it. Describe the shape of the earth. What is this shape called? The shape of the earth is round, but it is slightly flattened at the 2 poles. This shape is also known as sphere. You can find this answer in the first part of the chapter, your first paragraph. Now let's move to the question number 2. Explain the difference between rotation and sorry about that. Explain the difference between rotation and revolution. When the earth rotates on its axis, it is known as rotation, and the earth rotates on its axis in 24 hours. This movement of the earth causes day and night. So when this earth goes around the sun, it is known as revolution. It takes like 365. So you can easily understand rotation is responsible for the days and night, and revolution is responsible for the year. So I believe, and like bringing the seasons and all stuff, so I believe you can understand this. So let's move to the question number 3. Let me focus that for you. How are the seasons caused? The seasons are caused by the tilt of the earth on its axis away or towards the sun. When the tilt of the earth moves away or closer towards the sun, it revolves around the sun and it brings the seasons. It changes the seasons. So let's move to question number 4. Where on the earth's surface is the sun hottest throughout the year? Their place around the equator usually have the hottest temperature throughout the year. You know, the equator is the middle part of the earth. So the places, the countries, the cities near to the equator would face the hottest temperature. Let's move to question number 5. Explain what a globe and a map are and the difference between them. A globe is the model of the earth. The earth is so large that we cannot see all of it at once. So globe shows that what earth looks like. So flat maps are used to show the part of the earth. In order to be able to read a map, it needs the key and a scale. So I have shown you the video previously in the previous video to the key and the indicators, so you can easily understand that well. Let's move to the question number 6. Explain why there is a complete darkness at the North Pole for 24 hours a day in December. There is complete darkness for 24 hours in December because the Earth axis tilts toward the southern hemisphere. The rays of the sun cannot reach the North Pole because वहाँ पे we have the total darkness because the sun rays cannot reach there due to the position of that particular place. Question number 7. Use a globe to find the north and south poles. I have just write the answer for you. You can read from here as well, but this is the kind of practical stuff for you people. So what you need to do, you have to solve it by your own. So that this is page number 7. What we were assigned to do. Where I list the 7 continents. You can easily see. I have shown you the video regarding that, so it will help you and the oceans as well. So you have seen the video. Now this question number 7 part D and the ocean, which consists of the continents and the oceans, would be very clear to you. So I request all of you to please always take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.